the shapes in that video. So first we are going to take a shape that is elliptical shape, and now we will try to add some picture by using embed. So here I will pick a picture from the downloads. Here is the image we are going to add into it, make it fixed. Now we are going to create clipping mask. So that's the image we have created. Now I am going to get another shape from the custom shapes. I will pick up that shape and going for the picking the image. So that's the image, and now spread it over the whole shape. Make these changes done. Now creating the clipping mask. So we have created it. It's time to apply some further shapes. That's another shape. We will repeat the same process for it. Embed the same picture on that image that it is making the change done. Clipping mask is created. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.